Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find stories that you can read offline or exercises that you can do when you don't have internet connection or any data. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should tap on the library icon when you are at your home page that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now you should tap on the fourth option at the top. This is the offline section. If you scroll down, you can see that there are many categories that you can choose from. There are stories that you can read offline, books about feelings, readings for early readers, the ABC, basic counting exercises and mathematics, also reading exercises, and so on. So if you are interested in any of these, click on the relevant one.
By Cynthia
and
Platt.
Here, for example, if you have chosen a book or a reading, you can select whether you would like to read it by yourself or whether you would like it to be read to you. So you can proceed it by tapping on this icon pointing to the right direction down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.